Hey guys, back once again here in Thailand. For anyone who knows me knows that I'm an artist and designer, and I'm here at an art gallery here in Thailand. And they got some really cool pieces here, man. I love to paint, I love to draw, I love to design. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys some of this beautiful artwork that I saw here while I was here in Thailand. And some of these pieces are extraordinary. Like just some of these nice paintings, as well as the chair designs, some of the detail. A lot of times art is taken for granted, but art reflects life, in my humble opinion. So like, again, everything that we have, everything that we use in our life, from lamps to chairs, pretty much everything is created by an artist. So we owe a lot to artists. The camera that I'm using, the technology that I'm using, all created and designed by artists. And you know, I just love art. I love to share it. I love to talk about art. And I travel all around the world to different galleries and different art exhibits. And I try to share that here on my channel as much as possible, because I'm so intrigued with art. I actually love art. So I try to show that as much as possible. I'm also going to be going to another art location here in Thailand as well. So like, here are some more pieces, more sculptures. The designs here are very exquisite, very extraordinary works of art here in Thailand. This is just one of the places that I was allowed to actually get on camera to share with you guys. But I'll be walking throughout the mall to show other pieces that will allow me to, put it on camera. Because a lot of times, galleries don't allow you to film or show the artist's works. So I was fortunate enough to get this opportunity and share some of these beautiful works of art with you guys. So yeah, again, like this shirt that I continue to wear, all of the shirts that you see me in my videos, I actually designed. So this is one of my original designs, this Thailand t-shirt that I wear in my videos while I'm here in Thailand. And yeah, it's got my signature on there, Hilderbrand, for the Hilderbrand Lifestyle channel. So yeah, if you want to support the channel, feel free to pick up a t-shirt. I have over 50 different t-shirts. I've visited a lot of different countries. So you'll find a variety of different t-shirts on the website that you can purchase from different countries that I visited around the world, not just Thailand. But since I'm in Thailand doing video, I wear the t-shirts depending on what country I'm in. So I just wanted to share that with you guys as well. But yeah, if you guys are into art, put in some of your comments below and let me know what your thoughts are regarding art. And if you're an artist, and then maybe you can talk about some of the things that you like to paint or draw, or what got you into art. I'm a strong advocate of art, because art has allowed me to travel the world, and share my ideas and thoughts. So I really love the opportunity to share as much about art as possible with the world, right? So from art school to design school, as a professional designer and creative director for various companies throughout my career, art has been my escape. It's been my key to success. So I try to share it as much as possible. A lot of things that we consume, we purchase, or we need, the shoes on our feet, the clothes on our back, are all designed by artists, creative artists. So art plays a big deal in our life, our daily life, whether we realize that or not. So they got this big teddy bear here with the kung fu with the karate outfit on. I thought that was thought that was interesting, you know, just to kind of see that laid out. So yeah, yeah, so you know, I just go around the world traveling, trying to share interesting things that I find throughout this amazing world. The world is a beautiful place, man. It really is, you know. I suggest anyone who gets an opportunity should to see it or experience it should do so as much as possible. Again, here's another art gallery here in this mall with some more extraordinary works of art. Yeah, I mean, art is just all around us. It's all around us, you know. Yeah, absolutely love art. It's amazing. So, kind of looking for, I was looking to go downstairs, but got kind of turned around. I saw that artwork. I couldn't resist, so I had to walk over there and check it out. So, yeah, that's what draws me in. A lot of times is the artwork. So, hello. Check that out. And yeah, so in this mall they got like, you know, different game rooms. Kids are in there playing. Again, stuff that was designed by artists. You know, you can't get around it. Like interactive design, art. You know, it's all art. The massage chairs that people use to soothe their backs, feet. Again, this is art, you know. But it's, you know, I just love art. So, you know, here's some cool designs, Thailand designs. Here. So, yeah, these are the things I like to share on my channel and try to inspire other artists to travel. Like here's some other paintings of artwork on display. Just walking here throughout the mall, you know. Really cool pieces, you know, landscapes, still lifes. So yeah, I mean, art is everywhere. From your logo designs to the brands you wear. It just wouldn't be possible without artists, without designers. Another teddy bear here seen. So they got these teddy bears in these malls. I guess they like the color, you know. There's a lot of cuddling and cuddly love. The teddy bears. All right. So I guess that's what it is. So they got pretty much a lot of different things here in this mall. And yeah, I'm just checking it out, sharing it with you guys as I wander through and everything. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tour that I've given you guys. We're showcasing some of the artwork that I've seen or have experienced thus far. So I'm gonna go to another location that has a plethora of artwork, and I'll be sharing that with you guys as well. Again, if you want to support the channel, feel free to purchase my original design, my Thailand t-shirt design. It should be in the description or the link below. Feel free to support the channel that way. If not, it's okay, you know. Just please like, share, and subscribe this video. That's support enough as well. Yeah, so if there's anything that you guys would like to see on the channel me cover, feel free to drop a comment. You know, let me know what you're interested in as well to see from this channel as I continue to travel the world and share with you guys. So until next time, on the next video, peace, love, and everything. All right, guys, till next time, Hilderbrand Lifestyle. Peace.